like magic, be like fire.
Traveling in 2025 is easier and more exciting with smart gadgets made for every journey. These must-have tech tools help you stay connected, save space, and make each trip smoother, safer, and way more fun. All mentioned gadgets. Links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. Fuse Reel Side Winder. A versatile tool designed for rugged situations, it features a compact and durable design that easily stores and deploys cord or rope. Built for tough environments, it keeps your gear organized and accessible, making it perfect for outdoor survival, camping, or emergency situations. Its tangle-free system allows for quick retrieval, ensuring you're always ready for whatever challenge comes your way. With a sturdy construction, it's made to endure heavy use while offering maximum convenience when you need it most. Number 14. Nano Power Bank. A compact, portable charger designed to keep your devices powered on the go. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it delivers reliable energy when you need it most. With efficient charging capabilities, it ensures your smartphone or other gadgets stay ready for use during long trips or emergencies. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry without adding bulk, providing a convenient solution for anyone who needs power in a pinch. Perfect for everyday use or outdoor adventures. Number 13. Luggage Scale. A compact, portable tool designed to help you avoid excess baggage fees. It quickly measures the weight of your luggage, ensuring you stay within airline limits. With an easy-to-read display and simple operation, it saves you time and hassle at the airport. Its lightweight, durable build makes it easy to carry and use on the go. Ideal for frequent travelers who want to keep their bags in check and avoid surprises at the check-in counter. Number 12. Worldwide Protected Electrical. This all-in-one travel power adapter lets you charge your devices anywhere in the world by changing the plug shape to fit outlets in the USA, EU, UK, France, Italy, Australia, India, and more. It works with smartphones, laptops, cameras, headphones, and other gadgets. It supports 110 to 240 volts voltage and has safety features like a shutter, protector, and power indicator light. The adapter includes a travel pouch for easy storage and uses grounded 3-prong plugs for better safety. Note, it only changes plug shapes, not voltage, so always lock the pins before use. Number 11. Matador Beta Lock. This carabiner is made from strong aircraft-grade aluminum and can be locked with a key to help prevent theft. It's perfect for quickly attaching, locking, or identifying your belongings. The lock uses a deadbolt gate that adds extra security. It is approved by the TSA, so you can use it during travel without issues. This product also pairs well with a special accessory cable for added security. Recognized as one of the best travel gadgets in 2024, it offers a simple and reliable way to keep your gear safe while on the go. Number 10. Soundcore Liberty 4. These updated wireless earphones are fun and reliable, offering active noise cancellation for under $100. They provide 10 hours of battery per charge and 50 hours with the case. Perfect for long flights without interruptions. Multiple ear tip sizes and a fit test in their app ensure a comfortable, secure fit. Quick charging gives 4 hours of playback in just 10 minutes, with wireless charging available too. Available in several colors, the black matte finish is stealthy and stylish. With 6 built-in mics for clear calls, a Find My Earbuds feature, and strong magnets, they're both practical and fun to use. Number 9. Handheld Turbo Fan. This portable handheld turbo fan features a powerful 6-blade design and a fast motor, reaching speeds up to 13,550 RPM for strong cooling. It offers 5 adjustable wind speeds to fit your comfort needs. With a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, it provides up to 20 hours of use and can be easily recharged using common ports like laptops or power banks. Its compact, foldable design and lightweight make it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. The fan also includes an anti-loss lanyard, perfect for staying cool during outdoor activities, travel, or work. Number 8. Flight Phone Mount. This compact phone holder is great for travel, work, or workouts. It rotates 360 degrees and adjusts up to 290 degrees, letting you find the best angle for watching or video calling. It fits phones from 4.7 to 6.9 inches, including many popular models. Made with strong ABS plastic and metal, it holds your phone firmly without slipping. The clamp fits flat surfaces up to 1.57 inches thick and includes non-slip silicone to prevent scratches. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag so you can use it anywhere you go. Number 7. Laptop Stand. This ultra-thin laptop stand is just 0.1 inches thick and weighs only 3 ounces, making it easy to carry and almost invisible when not in use. Built from strong PU and fiberglass, it can hold up to 11 pounds, supporting most laptops without bottom vents. Its one-piece foldable design takes up no extra space and transforms into a sturdy stand in seconds. It works with laptops from 11 to 16 inches, including various MacBook models. The two adjustable angles, 25 degrees and 15 degrees, help improve posture by raising the screen for comfortable sitting or standing use. Number 6. All-in-one travel cable set. This compact 5-in-1 charger and cable kit is perfect for travel. It includes a 15-watt wireless charging stand for iPhones, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Small and portable, it fits easily in pockets or bags and has a mirror and folding phone holder. The kit supports safe charging and fast data transfer for various devices with a USB-C cable and OTG adapter. It works with Windows, Mac, Linux, and iOS. The storage case holds a Type-C cable and 4 USB adapters, so you don't need to carry multiple cables, making it easy to find the right connector on the go. Number 5. Smart Luggage GPS. Smart luggage with GPS tracking helps you keep track of your bags during your travels. With a built-in GPS, you can use an app to see the location of your luggage in real time, giving you peace of mind and reducing the risk of lost bags. Many models also feature extra conveniences, like built-in chargers for your devices, lockable compartments for added security, and durable, lightweight materials. Some even have fingerprint or biometric locks to protect your belongings. The luggage has a rechargeable battery that powers the GPS and other features, ensuring your devices stay charged. Ideal for frequent travelers, smart luggage makes it easy to stay organized and know exactly where your bags are at all times. Number 4. Flex Tail Gear Air Pump. This small, lightweight air pump weighs just 3.3 ounces and fits easily in your backpack or pocket. It can inflate air mattresses, pillows, and floats with up to 4 kilopascal pressure, and also works as a camping lantern for about 10 hours at 40 lumens on a single charge. The pump has a magnetic ring to attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free use. Its improved design makes it easy to hold and use, with better airflow and heat release. It runs for 25 minutes per charge but shouldn't be used continuously for more than 15 minutes. Number 3. Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. A handheld device designed to keep your phone steady while recording videos. It uses motors and sensors to eliminate shaky footage, providing smooth, cinematic shots even when you're on the move. These stabilizers have adjustable arms that hold your phone in place, allowing for precise control over movement and angles. Many models feature Bluetooth connectivity, letting you control the gimbal and camera functions through an app or buttons on the handle. Some also come with built-in tripods for stable shots or time-lapse videos. Compact and lightweight, a smartphone gimbal is perfect for vlogging, travel videos, or capturing professional quality footage with ease. Number 2. Vapur Collapsible Water Bottle. A lightweight, flexible water bottle that easily rolls up when empty, saving space in your bag. Made from durable, BPA-free materials, it's perfect for travel, hiking, or everyday use. The design allows for quick filling and convenient carrying, while the attached cap ensures no leaks. Its compact nature makes it ideal for those who want to stay hydrated without carrying bulky containers. Ideal for active individuals looking for a space-saving hydration solution. Number 1. Wireless Power Bank. This wireless power bank uses strong magnetic technology designed to work perfectly with iPhone models from 12 to 15 series. It has a built-in charging cable compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Android, and tablets, so you don't need extra cords when traveling. The 10,000 mAh battery provides enough power to keep your devices charged all day. It's slim, portable, and comes with a strap for easy carrying. The power bank supports fast charging with 22.5-watt output and can charge your devices while it's being recharged. Using a MagSafe case or no case gives the best magnetic grip. Hope you're as excited as I am about these must-have travel tech gadgets. Get ready to upgrade your adventures with these smart tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the best travel tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.